Hello, sir. Hello, everyone. So in this video, I would like to present my research proposal entitled Development of a Gamification Game-Based Learning Media for 5th grade elementary students in English Learning. But before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Luh Kadek Dwi Windari. My name is 1912-02-1090 from C class. In this presentation, I will explain about 4 topics. The first one is about the introduction, and the second one is about the problem of the research, and next is about the theoretical framework, and the last one is about the methodology. The first one, I would like to explain about the introduction. In the 4.0 revolution era, the rapid development of technology affects the learning process, which at the same time demands students to improve their higher order thinking skill. The amount of digital technology that exists directly affects the method of learning and teaching. To support current learning, teachers can use the gamification method by utilizing learning media in the form of educational games. By combining appropriate learning methods and learning media, the learning process will be done smoothly and can increase the learning outcomes and achieve the learning goal. This time, games not only have a negative impact on students, but now games can be used as a fun learning medium for students in learning. However, not all games can be used as learning media. The games used must be chosen properly in order to provide benefits for students. Researchers realize that currently hundreds of English educational games are available in our smartphones. However, researchers still haven't found an English educational games that present English learning materials, especially for 5th grade elementary students. So, based on that background, the researchers are interested in developing an Android game-based learning media for 5th grade elementary students in accordance with their syllabus to increase their higher order thinking skills. Based on the research background, the researchers have 2 research questions. They are, first, how to design game-based learning media that can improve students' higher order thinking skills. And second one is, how is the effectiveness of educational game-based learning media in its application to increase students' higher order thinking skills? Based on the research problem, this study has 2 research objectives. The first one is to improve higher order thinking skills for 5th grade students in elementary school by developing an interactive educational game learning media. And the second one is to know the quality of game-based learning that developed for students in 5th grade. Next, we move to the theoretical framework. Based on what I explained in the background, so I have found some theoretical framework. The first one is about HOT in education and the learning media, and the last one is about games in learning. Next, we move to the methodology. In this research, use ADDIE model as the research design. The ADDIE model was chosen because it can be a guideline for researchers in developing a simple, efficient, and effective learning media to support learning activities. The ADDIE model has 5 stages, namely analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation. The subject of this research is the 20 students from 5th grade of SD Negeri 1 Batuan, while the object of this research is the learning media that was developed according to the syllabus and material for 5th grade elementary students. For the research setting, this research will be conducted in SD Negeri 1 Batuan, which located at Banjarbucuan, Batuan, Kecamatan Sukawati, Kabupaten Gianyar. This school was chosen because researchers show that students' hot abilities were still lacking, and the researchers faced that the students are interested in using technology in learning activities, especially in learning English. In this research, the data will be collected from the observation, interviews, and user evaluation. Observation is used to find out the learning activities, method, approaches, and learning media used in learning activities. And it's also used to find out the classroom situation during learning activities. Meanwhile, interviews is used to find out the problems experienced by students and teachers while conducting the learning activities. And the last, about the user evaluation in the form of questionnaire, is used to determine students' responses about the games media developed by researchers. This also used to assess the learning media developed by researchers if it can use as learning media or not. Based on the data collection, the instrument uses in this research are observation guideline, interview sheet, and user evaluation questionnaire. In this study, the data will be analyzed by qualitatively and quantitatively. Qualitative data is taken from the results of respondent responses through interviews. Meanwhile, the quantitative data is obtained from questionnaire data, which is converted into scores or values. All right, that's all about my research proposal. I'm sorry if there's any mistake while I do my presentation. Thanks for the attention and have a nice day.